Let's say we want to find the equivalent form of y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3. Well, what we're going to do right here is we can just graph it and match graphs. So I'm just going to use match graphs for this. Okay? So let's graph 8x squared minus 2x minus 3. I think I want a brand new document. Now let's graph 8x squared minus 2x minus 3. Graph that. We'll get this graph right here. Okay, so we can match graphs here. Let's go back and see. Let's try 4x plus 1 times 2x minus 3. All right, so I'm going to hit tab or just double click. And if I type in 4x minus 1, that's not minus 1, minus 1, parentheses 2x plus 3, graphs don't look the same. So let's go back. 4x plus 1, 2x minus 3, that didn't work. All right. Hold it. Which one did I put in again? Let's double check. 4x plus 1, 2x minus 3. All right. This was 4x minus 1, 2x plus 3. Let's look and see if that was one of our choices. Yeah. 4x plus, no, that wasn't one of my choices. So let's go back. This was 4x plus 1 and 2x minus 3. Let's change it. Did that work? No, that doesn't match it either. So let's try the other choices. Let's try the other choices. So let's go back and let's do 4x plus 3, 2x minus 1. 4x plus 3, double click, and we'll make this a 3. And we'll make this a 1. See if that works. It's close, but it's still not the same graph. Yeah, it's shifted over. We want the graphs to be identical. They should be exactly on top of each other. Let's see what our other choices are. So let's go back. And now I got this. I got I got y equals 8 times x minus 1/8 squared minus 22. So what this is vertex form. All right. So this is, I keep missing, this is a quadratic with a vertex of, let's see, 1/8 25 over 8. So that's what this is. Sorry, this is a vertex. All right. So that's what C is. I'm gonna draw an arrow so you know that's exactly what I'm talking about. So, all right. So let's go ahead and graph this one. So I'm going to change it. I know this didn't work. So let's go ahead and put that in just like it is. We can put in 8x minus, and I believe we had a 1/8 there. 1/8. Right? And this is a quadratic, so we're going to square it. And I believe this was plus 25 over 8. Why not do a 28? 25 over 8. All right, and it looks like this one is, let's make sure we put this in right. So let's go back. All right, oh, it's within a minus 25/8. So let's make sure we make that a minus. And look at that. It's an exact match. So that's what we want to do. See, if we go blue, the graph turns blue, it's the same graph. So choice 3, or answer choice C, is the same as is the matching form. And that concludes our videos.